Hi everyone, good evening to all of you, and hopefully all of you are fine. And I am also doing well, by the mercy of Allah. And in this moment, I would like to say something about in this place. Okay, so as we can see, this is the actually railway line, and after few days later I have come here and with my own friends, and he has sitting, and actually before 1 hour ago I came here and with my friends. As we can see, this place actually situated in our local market, and around I think 3 kilometer distance, like our home and this place, like three around something 4 kilometer distance. And as we can see, all around side actually very nice place, and another side actually there are mountain, two mountain, and connected middle point on a small market. And as you can see, beside the on like national highway, as we can see, national highway, and it's a road connected to any place. When I go to another like city, like in our capital city like Guwahati, Dispur, and this road, when I go to like Guwahati, and just I uh, like by bus, when I go to any kind of place by this road. Okay, so and this railway line uh, actually before 3 or 5 years ago completed this road, and this road actually very helpful for in our local like area all peoples, because uh, railway like fare actually very low budget, and like bus traveling, it's a very costly, very expensive. Okay, so that is why a very helpful like railway line by a traveling mode. So that is why I'm very happy. And so dear friends, actually nowadays I can't make any blog video or any English practicing video, but today I make video like learning and practicing in English video. Okay, so today actually very sunny day, and how is the weather in your local area, like local cities, and how is the weather there in your local area? Okay, and our local area actually very sunny day, as you can see, sun shine. Okay, and now it is time actually 3 p.m., but also sun are very sunny. Okay, so thank you, bye bye.